Do you think creating professional animations requires expensive software and a powerful computer? I don't think so. In this video, I'll show you how to create amazing animations using Canva free and other free AI tools, even if you've never animated anything before. So let's get started. First, we need to create our scenario. So I just copy and paste prompt in ChatGPT to receive scenario. If you want to use this prompt, I put it in a first comment. So I just receive two character this scenario, and scene 1 it includes scene as description, voiceover script, image prompt, and also I receive 7 and 8 scene. So after this we need to go to Gemini, or we need to go to Canva AI to create our character. Now we need to create our character, so I just copy the first character is Leo and paste it, go to the home Canva and click on Canva AI. Here I just click on image and premium, and default is 1.1, but you should to put in 16.9, and style it's depend on you, but I don't want to change it. And after that paste the first character, the prompt of the first character here, and submit. You can also use Google Gemini to just just click on plus and create image, and then just copy paste your prompt here and receive your image. But I wanted to show you how can you create your image in Canva AI, and it's totally free. So we received this image and I download it, and after that I want to show you the other one. You should to create another, this one also, to create another character, and then just copy paste here. And after this you should to create all of the image prompt like this. Just copy from here, go to Canva AI, scene 2 also, just copy image prompt and go to the Canva AI until you receive all of the image for the 2 character and 8 photo and 8 image for 8 scene. Now we have 2 character. This is the first character that we have, this is the second one. So if you want to, I wanted to show you how you can create the other image for both of them. If you want to use the Gemini, you can just click on plus, create image, and if you want to have a same character, you should to drag both of them in Gemini and then go to the ChatGPT and just copy for the first scene. Just copy this one and then go to Gemini and paste here, and you can receive the first image, and then you can continue for the other one, for the scene 2, for the scene 3 until scene 8, and also we can receive this image. You can change it until you receive your image, and then also in Canva AI you can do it here. For example, just copy paste here to receive the image. It's the same. Now we have 2 character, 2 image for 2 character, and 8 image for 8 scene. This is the first one that we receive, and this is the 8th one that we received. We have 8 images. So now we need to create our video. First we need to go to the Canva AI, and then we can just click on plus or drag the first image, not character, the first image in Canva AI, and then go to the ChatGPT. Just copy the scene description from here, copy and go to Canva AI, paste here. Here just click on video clip, and you should to put it in premium, and here also is a 69. The other things is okay, and click here. It a little bit takes time, but we can receive the first video. We received this video. This is the video for the first scene, and you can download from here or you can download from here, and then go to create the second video. So just copy the second scene description from here and go to Canva AI, just paste here, and then just put the second the second images, and after this we just submit here to create the second video. You should to continue until to receive 8 video. So now we have 8 video. Is like this is the first one, this is the second one, and now we should to create the sound for them. In this situation we should to go to the ElevenLabs here, and it's not as difficult to log in. Just you need to Gmail and log in, and then go to the text to speech here, and again go to the ChatGPT, go to the first thing, and here voice over script, just copy and paste here, and again go to the ChatGPT, copy the second one, and then go to ElevenLabs, enter here until 8. You know, you should do just copy, go to the scene 3, 4 until 8, copy all of them here, and then go to the voice here. You can choose every voice that you want, like this.
I think this is a really nice way to... Let me know in the comments.
This one.
So you need a voice that actually...
Or this one.
Hey, Adam here. Let's create something that feels...
If you, for example, choose this one, just click here and generate a speech. After generate, you click on generate a speech, you can receive the sound and you can download from here. Now we have 8 video and the sound for our video. So we need to go to the Canva, click on video, click landscape video, and in this situation we can upload all of the video from here. Just go to the upload and upload file. We can upload all of the video from and also sound from here, and then we can just put first step by step like this. This is the first one, the second one, the third one, and until 8. Like this and this, and then go to the audio and upload our audio, and just click from here like this. You can see, and this is like this.
Ethan, he loved to dream big. Every day he looked at the sky and imagined amazing adventures. Right beside him was his best friend, Buddy. Ethan had an exciting idea.
If you want, you can use CapCut because it's an amazing platform to create, the video with animation with music. So in this situation, I can, for example, import all of the video that I have like this, and then import it here and put step by step like this. This is the first one until, and if you don't like the speed, you can click here speed, and just it's slow for you, you can increase the speed for in this situation. And after that, go to the audio. You just click here to, for example, to upload or some music like this. And then you can add from here, for example, like this, and then cut with your mouse like this, the end of the video. It is your video.